What's up everybody, welcome to the Amateur Coder channel. My goal for this channel is to explain everything as simple as I possibly can that even amateurs can understand it. And by doing that I hope to be able to teach and inspire as many developers as I can. Right now I am mostly focused on Flutter because currently I think it's one of the best ways to create apps. So far on this channel we have tutorials spanning from the very basics like adding fonts to your Flutter project to more complex topics like scheduling cloud functions on Firebase. Another thing that I think sets me apart is that I take you on a complete journey of creating a production app. We go from the very basics like just planning the app all the way to launching the app on the Play Store and on the Apple Store. We're actually currently about to launch our first production ready app. It's called the Book Club and it's for people to collaborate on books they want to read together. The next two apps I'm going to build is probably going to be a website using Flutter and a messaging app. So if you want to join me on this journey, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I can't wait to see you around.